Okay guys, we are replacing the hood struts today, and it's a pretty simple process. Basically, some of these struts, as they wear an age, they start sagging and they don't hold the actual hood up. So what you want to make sure is that your hood is secure, and what you're going to do is pop out these struts with a flathead screwdriver. Now this should be relevant for 02 to 07 Dodge Rams. They should be universal. So make sure that your hood is secure, because this will come down, and then you just pop them out. So let me put this right here. Let's try this one first. There it is, just like that. Pop it right out, and this one should come. Make sure that your hood is secure. This should just pop right out, just like that. You want to come in and just put it right in that ball right there, and the same for this right here. Pops right in right there, and this should just pop right in too. There it is. Easy as that. So let's push this down. And there it is. Brand new struts. Simple as that. Basically pop it out with a Phillips. Get it out. And there you go. Close the trunk. Close the hood. See if I pull it back up. It's nice and tight. There we go. It's probably a 10-minute job. Thanks for watching.